puff. Kisan means farmer. We have completed book back exercise as well as PPT. Slide we have read. So today we will learn classwork notes. Okay. So you got classwork notes. So let's begin. Okay. Girija ma'am, Suprita ma'am also joined ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Raise the
Okay. Okay. So let me share my screen. Yes. So today we will learn classwork. Okay. Is my screen is visible? Okay.
It's visible, ma'am.
Now it
Yes,
will
yes, it was,
stop.
ma'am.
Okay.
Visible.
Ah. Okay. 2 minutes.
फिर से स्टॉप हो गया है मैम.
And 1 minute. मैंने PPT शेयर कर दिया by mistake. In spite of sharing classwork. Yeah. Today they will learn classwork. So let them give a revision on classwork. Okay. So मेरे साथ पढ़ो सब. Yes. ठीक है. शायद अभी can you able to see now classwork notes dear? Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. शब्दार्थे. शब्दार्थे means the word you have to give. The word will be given to you. You have to translate them into English. That is शब्दार्थ means write the meaning in English. English word पे उसे लिखना है. So first one you have गांव. गांव. गांव means village. So who is staying in village? किसान. No? किसान कहाँ रहता है? गांव में रहता है. No? First thing we have learned in the slide. किसान गांव. What is this first one? गांव means village. What is the opposite of गांव? शहर. Yes, no? Opposite means शहर. What is the opposite of गांव? शहर. What is the opposite of गांव? शहर. Second, देश, country. देश, country. This is what? देश. देश. What is that? Country. First one, गांव, village, देश, country. Next you have किसान हमारे देश के शान और जान. जान word we learn no in the slide. So how you have to pronounce? j, आखी मात्रा जा, न. Okay? j, आखी मात्रा जा, न. किसान जान. देश की जान और शान है. So what is the जान means? Life. जान, life. So गांव, village, देश, country, जान, life. Okay. Next. What is this? Ma. What is this? Ma. What is this? Me. Ha. Ha. Na. No matra, no. So na. Okay. If matra is there, na. Okay. Ma, me, ha, na, ta. What is this? Ta. So mehnat. Mehnat means what? Me, ha, na, ta. Means what? Hard work. Mehnat, hard work. Mehnat, hard work. Mehnat, hard work. So from the beginning, गांव, village, देश, country, जान, life, मेहनत, hard work. Next. For vegetable in Hindi, sabjiyan we can say, sabji we can say. But here, ta, what is this? Ta. ra, k is given, no? So when matra is added to that, ka. Okay, ta, ra, ka, ra, badi e ki matra. So we say tar, ka, ri, tarkari. What is that for vegetable in Hindi? Ta, ra, ka, ri, tarkari. What is that? Ta, ra, ka, ri, tarkari for vegetable in Hindi. Tarkari. Next, sixth one, anaj. A, na. Aki matra is there, no? J. Anaj. Sixth one, a, na, j. Anaj. Grains. What is that? Grains. Grains means what? Grains means all the cereals. What are all the dal? Everything comes under grains. Okay. Vegetable means all the vegetables like tomato, onion, chili, all the vegetables together we say tarkari. Grains. Anaj. Grain. Anaj. Next, seventh one, milana. Me, ma is there and iki matra. So it is choti iki matra. So it is me. La, na, me, la, na. Aki matra is there, no? So what is that answer? To get. Milana, to get. Milana, to get. Next, sa, thi. Sa, thi. Sa, thi. साथी means what? Friend. किसान हमारे साथी है means what? Is our friend. मिलना to get. साथी friend. Friend means दोस्ती. One more word is there for साथी, दोस्त. Yes, no, दोस्त means what? Friend. We all are friend like that. So मिलना to get. साथी friend. Next. हमारे. हमारे. हमारे is ours. हमारे is what? Ours. हमारे is ours. हमारे. हमारे देश. हमारा देश. Like this we say, no? हमारे means ours, for ours. रहना. ना. रहना means what? To stay or to live. Where do you stay? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you stay? We ask you, no, this question. Yes or no? Yes. Where do you stay? You say I come from. मैं मांगाडू में रहता हूँ. So you say no, रहना. So रहना is what? To stay. Or where do you live? The both is applicable here. To stay or to live. Okay. Understood? रहना means what? To stay or to live. Also correct. Next, kisan. You are already familiar with this. Kisan is farmer. Wonderful. Kisan, farmer. So I will teach you again the Shabdarte. Listen carefully. All say with me. Gaon, village. Gaon, village. Desh, country. Desh, country. Jaan, life. Jaan, life. Jaan, life. Mehnat, hard work. Mehnat, hard work. So hard work means what? Doing something very hard. No, who is doing that? Kisan. In this lesson, Kisan is doing, farmer is doing very hard work. So in return, हमको क्या मिलते हैं? What we get in return? Tarkari. That is vegetables. Next, anaj. Grains we get. Next, phal. Fruits. Everything we get only because of किसान. So उसके लिए किसान को हम मेहनत करते हैं. वह क्या करते हैं? मेहनत. मेहनत is hard work. Doing hard work. तरकारी, vegetable. तरकारी. तरकारी, vegetable. Okay. Anaj. 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 That is grain. Anaj, grain. Milana. Milana, to get. Milana, to get. We are getting in return. What we are getting? और we are, हमको कुछ मिलते हैं किसान के वजह से. What we get? What we get? Yes, vegetables, fruits, spices, nuts, grains, anaj, all we get. No, so milana, getting something. साथी, who is our friend now in this lesson? किसान, किसान हमारे साथी हैं. Next, हमारे, ours, हमारे is ours, okay, ours friend, no, is our friend. Next, रहना, to stay or to live. कहाँ रहते हो? मैं मांगाडू में रहता हूँ और रहती हूँ. Like this you say, no? So, इसको रहना means to stay or to live. किसान means farmer. किसान का मतलब farmer है. I hope you understood the word meaning. Yes, शब्दार्थ will be given to you. You have to convert that into English. Okay? Okay. Next we will go to Vilom Shabd. Ma'am, they have any doubt there? Okay. No doubt, we will go to the next Vilom Shabd.
No, ma'am, you can proceed.
Okay. So under Vilom Shabd, Vilom means opposites. Whatever the word we are giving, you have to convert them into their opposite things. Like bada, you know to write chota. So big, small. So extreme opposite of that. Okay, so just now we have discussed what is gaon. Gaon is village, no? And what is the opposite of village? Shahar. We have already learnt shahar in Chennai city. Shahar. शहर, गांव, शहर, गांव, शहर. गांव means what? Village. गांव means village. शहर means city. शहर means what? City. गांव, village, शहर, city. Chennai city, we have learned, no? So same way it is. गांव, village, शहर, city. Next you have way. Next you have way. Here it is in a plural form. Okay, way. Who is way here in this lesson? Way is they. Who is they? Farmer. They do hard work. They are our friends. They are working together. They are doing hard work. Kadi mehnat. Way is used in this lesson. No, way means they. Way. Repeatedly saying, no. In this lesson, way is farmer. Continuously they were saying, in spite of using farmer, they used the help of pronoun and they said they. And what is ye? ये मेरा घर है. ये, यह we say, no, this, यह. So plural form is ye. Ye, this. Or yes, in the plural form it is, and it is in the singular form. Okay. एक minute. They, yeah, ye, it is what? Ye. It is this. This is my girl. This is my house. Like this you say, no? So, ye, way, ye. First one, gaon, shahar. Second one, way, ye. Understood? Okay. Next. हाँ या नहीं. You have to say whether the answer, the statement which is given is either yes or no. You have to use whether this is yes or no. So first one, किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. किसान, that is farmer. शहरों means is either is staying in cities. Yes, is staying in city. Correct? Answer is correct? No. The here रहते हैं means is staying or living. Where is living? In city or in village? Correct. Yes, in village is living. But here they are given what? In city they have given. So the statement is what? Wrong. This particular sentence is wrong. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. Read with me. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. Answer is नहीं. Answer is what? नहीं. Where is staying? Where is staying? Village, no? Where is staying? Village. For village in Hindi, गांव में रहते हैं. For village in Hindi, गांव में रहते हैं. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. Answer is नहीं. Answer is what? नहीं. Again I'll read, listen. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. Answer is नहीं. Where do he stay? He stay in गांव. He stay in गांव, no? So that is he stay in village. He stay in what? Village. But here it is given what? City. So answer is wrong. रहते is what? Stay. Or he lives. Is living in city. Is it possible? No. Then how he will do farming? It's very difficult for him to do farming in city. Because we have everywhere building all around. एक minute. Yes, you have building all around. Ma'am, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So where Kisan is staying? Kisan गांवों में रहते हैं. Is it correct? No, the statement is wrong. No? Just 2 minutes. It has stopped my screen. I think now it is visible. Okay. ओके. किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. किसान कड़ी मेहनत. You know already what is कड़ी मेहनत. Yes, कड़ी मेहनत means very hard work. किसान doing very hard work. Yes, answer is yes. He is doing. Yes, obviously he is doing very hard work. So किसान कड़ी धी मेहनत करते हैं means what? Doing. What Kisan is doing? Mehnat doing. Mehnat means hard work. How is doing? Very, very, very hard work. In return, because of his hard work, what we are getting? We are getting grains, vegetables. For that, what you have to say? Tarkari, anaj. Because of his hard work, we are getting so many things. This is little, but we get so many things from Kisan. Yes, no? So, Kisan is farmer. किसान फार्मर. कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. कड़ी वेरी मेहनत हार्ड वर्क. कड़ी वेरी मेहनत हार्ड वर्क. करते हैं means doing. He is doing. So if Kisan is not doing hard work, just imagine our life. Yes, no, it is very difficult for us to survive without Kisan. That is because of that Kisan is our jaan, our life. So किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. Farmer is doing very, very, very hard work. That is the answer. What is the answer then? Yes, of course, yes. So किसान कड़ी मेहनत नहीं करते हैं. Then the answer is no. But here what they are given? मेहनत करते हैं. So answer is yes. I hope you have understood these two statements. Ma'am will say you again. Listen. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. किसान stay in शहर. That is, he is staying in city. The statement is correct. रहते means stay or live. Is it the statement is correct? No. The statement is no. नहीं. Okay. Second one. किसान खड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. खड़ी is very, मेहनत is hard work, Next, करते हैं is doing some action or doing something. What is doing? Is doing hard work. What Kisan is doing so much hard work. So obviously the answer will be ha. Yes, no? Yes. Answer is yes. Understood? Read the statement. किसान, मेरे साथ पढ़ो सब. किसान खड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. किसान खड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. Answer is yes. Okay? Okay. Next. Shall we go to the fill in the blanks now? ठीक है. Fill in the blanks. किसान, किसान, देश. What is देश? Our country, no? हमारे country. देश, किसान, here you have seen. देश. किसान देश की शान और जान. और means and. Okay. किसान देश की शान और जान है. किसान देश की शान और जान है. जान is life. किसान is our country's life. And शान or means and. Shan is very proud. We are so proud that we have Kisan in our country. किसान देश की शान और जान है. Rhyming word also it is. किसान देश. Yes, somebody's mic is on, dear. Yes, ma. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Somebody's mic is on, so I'm getting echo here. Okay.
No, ma'am. Everyone
Okay.
is locked.
ओके. किसान देश की शान और जान है. किसान देश, देश इज कंट्री. किसान देश इज कंट्री की शान, शान इज having a prestigious or proud feel that we have, very proud that we are having Kisan in our country. Yes, no, like army, we are very proud. So like same way Kisan is also our, हमारे भारत का शान और जान है. जान इज लाइफ. आवर लाइफ इज, विदाउट हिम जस्ट cannot even imagine. Yes. ओके. किसान देश की शान और जान है. किसान, read with me. Read this, fill in the blanks with me. So see the where the dash is given, that is the answer. Okay. So what is किसान देश की शान और dash है. What is the answer? ज, आ की मात्रा जा, न. जान. जान means life. जान means what? Life. Here you have seen. Yes, जान का मतलब क्या है? लाइफ है. एक मिनट. यस. किसान देश की शान और डैश है. उत्तर है, सॉरी, जब आंसर है जान. आंसर है जान. किसान देश की शान और जान है. शान और डैश है, जान है. किसान हमारे साथी हैं. किसान हमारे, हमारे इज अवर्स. हमारे इज व्हाट? अवर्स. किसान इज अवर्स क्या है? साथी. साथी मीन्स, साथी मीन्स फ्रेंड, दोस्त. साथी मीन्स क्या है? फ्रेंड है या दोस्त है. हियर यू हैव सीन. किसान हमारे साथी है मीन्स दोस्त है और फ्रेंड है. इज अवर फ्रेंड और इज अवर दोस्त. सो treating someone in our country is very prestigious feel that we have Kisan. We are proud to have him and he is our friend. He is our, you should treat him like a friend. So किसान हमारे डैश है, साथी है. किसान हमारे डैश है, आंसर है साथी है. What is the spelling here? स, सा, त, बड़ी ई की मात्रा ती. ओके, बड़ी ई की मात्रा ती. सा, ती. ओके. जा, न, जान. ओके, means life. Sati, friend. This is Jan is life. Sati is friend. Friend means dost. I hope you understood. Yes, we will read one more time from the beginning. Then I will ask you some questions. Okay, all read with me. Yes. शब्दार्थे. गांव, विलेज. गांव, विलेज. शब्दार्थे गांव, विलेज. Yes. देश, country. देश, country. गांव, village. देश, country. जान, life. जान, life. मेहनत, hard work. मेहनत, hard work. तरकारी, vegetable. तरकारी, vegetable. अनाज, grain. अनाज, grain. मिलना, to get. मिलना, to get. साथी, साथी, friend. साथी, friend. हमारे, ours. हमारे, ours. रहना, to stay. रहना, to stay. किसान, farmer. किसान, farmer. So, Shabdarthe is converting them into English meaning. So, गांव, देश, जान, मेहनत, तरकारी, अनाज, मिलना, साथी, हमारे, रहना, किसान. This way you have to read. Next we will go to Vilom Shabd, which means opposite of the given word. What word is given? You have to change the opposite. Gaon, Shahar. Gaon, Shahar. Shahar is what? Shahar is what? City. Chennai city we learn, no? Shahar is city. Gaon, Shahar. Shahar is city. Ve, ye. That is they, this. Singular, plural, no? Ve, ye. They, this. हाँ या नहीं. That is yes or no. Read the statement correctly and you have to understand whether it is given, what it is given. Then you have to give whether it is yes or no. Here the statement is किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. Is staying in city? Whether is staying in city? नहीं. No, no. So the answer is no. Is not staying in city. Staying in village. Where is staying? In गांव में रहते हैं. कहाँ रहते हैं? Correct answer is गांव. Next. किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. किसान कड़ी. कड़ी is very. Very hard work is doing. The answer is yes. Yes, answer is yes, because without किसान our life will not be good, no? So it is हमारे देश के शान और जान है. That's why he's told our countries is शान and जान. So he's doing कड़ी मेहनत, very hard work. Answer is yes. Next, काली जगह भरिए. किसान देश की शान और डैश है. देश इज कंट्री, शान और जान, और डैश है. आंसर इज जान है, मीन्स आवर लाइफ. किसान देश की शान और जान है. आंसर इज आवर लाइफ. किसान हमारे साथी हैं. साथी is friend. किसान हमारे साथी है. साथी means is our friend. साथी means दोस्त. दोस्त means friend. So Kisan, you should treat him as our friend. Okay? So like this the class works. Any doubt you have in the classwork? To read? If you have doubt, you can put it in the chat box. Now ma'am will ask question. Quickly put it in the chat box. Then you have to read also. Ready all? Okay, no doubts. Okay, very good, Ojaswin. Okay, now tell me what is meant by Kisan. Quickly put it in the chat. Kisan. Kisan. Yes, farmer. Very good, very good. Super. What is meant by Desh? Desh. Desh. Country. So, Ojaswin, super. Shivani, where? Yes, correct. Naresh, super. Country. What is mean by gaon? Gaon, gaon, village. And Vilom Shabda of gaon. Vilom Shabda means what? Opposite of gaon. Vilom Shabda of gaon. Shahar, excellent. Superb. So many of them are listening and giving answers. Excellent. Vilom Shabda means opposite of gaon, shahar. Superb. Next, what is the meaning of रहना or रहते? रहना or रहते. To live. Lakshmi, excellent. To live. To live. Superb. Superb. Rahate, to live. Very good. So many wonderful answers I am getting. Very good. So happy that you all are listening the class. Good, good. Next, listen the question. Mehnat. Mehnat. Hard work. Superb. Hard work. Mehnat. Hard work. Excellent. So many answers. Very good. Next. Jaan. 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 Life. Yes, so many answers. Why very repeated person is giving the answers? All should give. All should give. Yes, life. Wonderful, wonderful. Life. Jaan, life. Super. Now listen the statement and you have to tell whether the sentence is true or false. Okay, or yes or no you can type. For yes you can type only yes, no you can type N or NO. Okay, ready? Yes. किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. किसान कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. Superb, excellent, very good. All are sending yes, 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 yes. Yes, superb. Wonderful. I think you all understood the lesson and classwork also. Very good. Repeated person is sending. Please, all should share answer. Okay. Kadi mehnat karte hain means Kisan is doing very hard work. So answer is yes. Now look at the question. किसान शहरों में रहते हैं. No. Ojaswin, good. Gopi Krishna, answer is no. Kavi Charan, you are writing answer yes. No. शहरों में. शहर means city. Kisan is not staying in city. No. कहाँ रहते हैं किसान? किसान कहाँ रहते हैं? Type where do you stay? गांव. No. Yes. No. किसान गांव में रहते हैं. But the answer here is गांव, village. Superb. किसान कहाँ रहते हैं? गांव में रहते हैं. Now Look at the question. किसान हमारे डैश हैं. किसान हमारे डैश हैं. किसान हमारे, yes, Ojaswin, superb. जान है, it's also correct, and साथी, साथी है. किसान हमारे साथी है. किसान हमारे शान, हमारे देश की शान और डैश है. If the question is like this, then you can write जान. But किसान हमारे डैश है, साथी है. किसान हमारे डैश है, साथी. साथी is what? साथी means what? साथी. Sati means friend. Wonderful, Ojaswin. Excellent. Yes. Nadika. Ashwini. Superb. So, किसान हमारे डैश हैं. किसान हमारे साथी है. साथी means friend. साथी means what? Friend. Good. So many good questions you are giving. Feel so happy that you understood the classwork also. Complete it. Now read this. Now read what is given in the Jamboard. Okay. Sorry, in the whiteboard. Yes. Read this and tell me the meaning in English. Read this. What is this? Jaan. And please don't give me approval. This annotation request. Yes. जान. किसान हमारे जान है और देश की शान और डैश है. जान है. जान, life. Both you have to write. Next, read this. पढ़ो. What is this? What is this? Kisan. Yes. Yes. Correct. Kisan. What is the meaning also you have to type. Super. Super. Kisan. Farmer. Kisan. Farmer. Next. Read this. Please don't give me request for annotation, please, because I cannot write. What is this? Tanshika, you are sending a request. Please don't do that. Answer what is given. Ojaswin, excellent. Yes. Sai Lakshmi, superb. Gaon, village. Both you have to type. Then only I will know that you know to read. Gaon, village. Gaon, village. Both if you type, so what you are reading and what is the meaning you are writing. Excellent. Very good. Wonderful. You all are so wonderful that you deserve a very big star for you. That you give an excellent answer. Superb. Next. Read this. Read this. No village. It is not village. Yes. Sai Lakshmi Ji, excellent. Kamakshi, very good. Niralya, very good. What is this? Desh, country. What is this? Desh, country. Desh, country. Very good. Now let's see. Now tell this. Mehnat hyphen, what is the answer? Excellent, superb, superb. Mehnat. Well, how to read this? Me, ha, na, th. Mehnat, hard work. What is this? Mehnat, hard work. Mehnat, hard work. So you understood how to read also, and you have to understand the meaning also. Yes, hard work. Correct. What is the opposite? What is the opposite of this way? What is the opposite of way? A. Superb. What is the opposite of way? A. Ye. Way. Ye. Way. Ye. Gaon. Shahar. Like way. Ye. What is the extreme opposite you have to see? Yes. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask. Do you have any doubt regarding this classworks? You have to complete your classworks in your classwork note and keep ready and read that. Read and write your classwork. That is your homework. Okay. No doubt. Okay. We have 1 more minute.
Ma'am, I'm
No doubt.
writing, ma'am. I write it, Kisan, ma'am.
Excellent. Those who finished, very good. Those who are not finished, today you sit and write.
Meaning and the opposite and the fill in the blanks and yes or no, ma'am. Ma'am.
You finished. Very good.
Ma'am. I am also finished. Ma'am.
Superb. Okay, those who finished, wonderful. Now time up. Jai Gurudev. Dhanyavad to all of you. Very wonderful children for attending the class. Dhanyavad to you. Jai Gurudev.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye and thank you.